Hi my peeps, what's up wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, we're gonna make some traditional Jamaican drink, pineapple ginger drink. And this time guys, I'm gonna add some turmeric. This drink guys is a detox drink. It's gonna clean your colon, it's gonna build your immune system, all right? Good for weight loss too. All right guys, so over here I have the pot on fire with some water. All right, I have my pineapple and I'm gonna wash it and I'm gonna cut it up. But in the meantime, I have some ginger and I have some turmeric. This one I got from Jamaica. I just freeze it and I cut it and take it out. And now I'm gonna pour this in. So I'm gonna pour it in, let it boil. And I'm gonna also put my ginger so it boil in the meantime. And guys, I'm gonna add about 4 pimento grains. Pimento is good for you, and it also pimento have lots of antioxidants, good to clean your body, good for pain, inflammation and all. Yeah, and it adds flavor to it, so I'm gonna add that. To this guys, I'm gonna also add a cinnamon stick, one of that, and let it boil. All right guys, so this is my pineapple. I wash it and I wash it with some vinegar and then I cut it up and I also cut out the core and I'm gonna put that in as well. So basically we're gonna put everything in. And this is just 1 pineapple guys, and the pot is about half of water. If you have 2, then you can fill the pot right up. Little piece of pineapple. Just like that guys. The next thing I'm gonna add to it guys is some lemon slices. You can add it in now or you can squeeze the juice in after. All right, I'm gonna put mine in now because I want all the zest and the outer part, the rind, to boil out in it. All right, so I'm gonna add that. So my peeps, if you drink this now hot, it becomes a tea, and if you let it cool down, it becomes a juice or drink. All right, you can do it your way. You can add some peppermint leaves to this too. It's up to you. All right, I'm gonna let this simmer down and then I'll come right back. It smells so good guys. All right guys, we're gonna take a look at it. So that's it. I'm gonna let it boil down a little bit more and then I'm gonna let it cool. All right guys, this is it now. I'm gonna turn the stove off. I give it about say 5-10 minutes of boiling. I'm gonna turn the stove off now and let it rest maybe for overnight until it's cool, and then I'm gonna strain it off. All right peeps, so this is it. And now you want to strain it. All right, all right guys, so this is it, and that's what left. We don't want that. No, this is what we want. All right my peeps, you can go ahead and you can drink this just as is, or you can sweeten it with a little bit of honey. If you're from Jamaica and you want to put some brown sugar, you can go ahead. All right, but I want to drink this as a detox tea or a detox juice or drink, so I'm gonna add just a smidge of honey. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon just for the taste and flavor. Okay guys, I'm not gonna put a lot because I'm gonna drink it as is. So that's it. You can put about maybe 1/4 cup of sugar or so. I add some lemon juice and some sugar around the rim and a slice of lemon, and I'm gonna put 2 cubes of ice And we're gonna pour some in. And now I have some fresh mint from the garden. I'm gonna add it like right here. This is it, guys. Yes, so cool and refreshing. Good detox drink, or you can drink it hot or warm and make it a detox tea. You can add some mint as well. All right, guys, good for weight loss, colon cleanse. Yeah, gonna detoxify your body. Lots of antioxidants. Yes, gonna clean and build your system. Weight loss remedy as well. All right, guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. All right, guys, you have a good day.